How to create a fishbone diagram in ClickCharts. Click Templates, select Fishbone Diagrams and choose a template or blank diagram. Add symbols from the symbol panel, place them on the canvas, and double-click to enter text. Arrange symbols, add causes and categories, and adjust connectors as needed. When finished, click Save. Continue watching this tutorial for additional details on how to create a fishbone diagram in ClickCharts. Click the Templates button to create a new diagram. From the list of templates, select Fishbone Diagrams. Choose one of the available templates to get started quickly, or select Blank Diagram to build your diagram from scratch. Use the symbol panel in the left sidebar to add fishbone diagram elements. Click a symbol to select it, then click anywhere on the canvas to place it. Continue adding symbols to represent the problem, major cause categories, and contributing factors. To place the same symbol multiple times, hold Shift while clicking on the canvas. Arrange your diagram by clicking and dragging symbols into position. Use the square handles around a selected symbol to resize it as needed. Double-click any symbol to add or edit text, such as the problem statement, cause categories, or specific causes. Many fishbone symbols include built-in connectors to help maintain the diagram structure. To adjust a connector, click the line to select it, then drag the square handles at either end to reposition or reconnect it. Additional handles may be available depending on the connector type, allowing you to refine the layout of the diagram. When your fishbone diagram is complete, click Save to store your work. For more ClickCharts tutorials, visit the address shown on your screen.